This is Jim Baxter, a computer expert and camera whiz.
I say, don't take a picture of me.
So he's showing how you adjust a Nikon SLR camera.
Say,
What?
don't take a picture of me.
Don't take any pictures of this. This is illegal. Oh my God, Jim! Oh my God, the camera. So Jim,
I think I fixed it, Dave.
well, try a picture.
I think I fixed it. Let's
See if the picture works. Oh, wow.
All you gotta do is tap the camera
See,
a little bit.
if you know
so
how
it
to
works.
fix a camera, you know how to fix a camera.
And there we go.
And the bigger the tool, the easier to fix.
Yeah, it's the right tool, eh?
Yeah, the right tool for the right job.
Yeah,
And if you
there you
got
go.
two tools in the same room, you can fix anything.
There you go.
Sayonara, this is our video, and it better go viral.